रेल्वे मार्ग दोट्टीकरण करप हे रेल्वे प्रकल्पाचे काम. तो बंदराचो प्रकल्प न्हय. कर्नाटकांतल्यान लोखंड धातूची येरादारी केल्ल्यान बंदराक बरी येणावळ मेळटा आनी 2024 मेरेन पोर्ट परत आशिल्लो त्या सुवातेर पावतलो म्हूण पुराय आस्त आसा असो MPAचे उपाध्यक्ष GP राय हांणी विश्वास उक्तायला. RDXGOA खातीर मुरगांवच्यान प्रसाद नायक.
We'll get some cargo. So we are very hopeful that by 2024 we'll come back to the original position.
Sir, since you said that in 2024 you want to come back to the original position, I think the cruise tourism is also benefiting in the port and the ships are increasing.
See, cruise actually, cruise is not a profitable business for the port. This is Government of India's venture, emphasis for the development of cruise. It will take few years to bring, come out as a profit making. Till then, this is a benefit to the state more than the port. We will support this one. We are already identified 3-4 berths only for the cruise.
Sir, one more question, sir, before I let you go, is about new cargoes being identified by the port. You said that cargoes like bauxite and urea, all these things are being added into the bucket of the port. So anything on that, any more cargo being identified? Or
the question is that we can bring so many cargoes because we got restrictions. We got very limited storage area, and if connectivity is also single lane railways there, and road also on highways there. Because of this all constraints, we will not be able to grow that required potential. If waterways takes full swing, definitely we will go back to up to 50 also. There's no issue because we are reached once, crossed 50, we will be able to cross 50. New venture for port because normally iron ore used to export from Goa only. Now Karnataka is coming here because in that port is getting very good revenue for handling of the rails and wharfage and all. So this is one positive revenue for the port, and we hope by 1 or 2 million it will add to the port traffic. That is a good sign for the port. Port is the exim gateway. Doubling is a railway project, not the port project. Because railway and port and roads all coming together. Without connectivity, no exim gateway survives. So it comes is good for the port, and doesn't mean that one should not think it's only for the port. It's not like that.